If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds, and consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to lower graphics quality and resolution. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve performance, especially if your hardware is not top of the line. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and bandwidth, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 4. Update drivers in-game. Ensure that your graphics drivers in the game itself are up to date. Developers often release patches and updates that can fix bugs and improve performance, so keeping everything current is essential. Step 5. Use quality of service QoS settings. If your router supports QoS, enable it to prioritize gaming traffic over other types of internet usage. This can help reduce lag by ensuring that your gaming packets are given high priority on your network. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming performance and a reduction in lag spikes. Enjoy your gaming experience.